What up, folks? I just wanted to show you this really cool pattern from Sigurd Rascher's book 158 Exercises for Saxophone. It's kind of a neat pattern, and so we'll get into it here. This is a diminished pattern. It's a full diminished, so starting on G sharp, you've got these intervals of minor thirds going up here, up to F, and then down a half step. So you got this half step, and then again with the minor thirds, all diminished minor thirds, and then you get down to this G again. You've got another half step down, and we'll move this over so you can see it, and then back up with minor thirds all the way to here, and then again the half step down and minor thirds down. So it's really kind of a neat pattern. I'll grab saxophone here and play it for you. Let me just shrink this down for a second here so you can see it. Okay. So. Etc., etc. You get the idea. So this would be something really good to practice. And thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.